Hi everyone. I thought I would come on and do a quick video. I just got a Stampin' Up order and I got some stuff to help with my organization of my ink. And it was a really inexpensive order today or when I placed it years ago, because I had points. You collect points every time you order to receive on your next shipment. And I had enough of those points that I got my order for almost half price. So fun deal. So these are the organizers that hold the ink from Stampin' Up. And Stampin' Up is going to be going with a new ink pad that's magnetic. And I don't know that the new ink pads are going to fit my old ones, but my old ones I just updated to all new ink pads except for like one or two. So they're pretty new still, so probably not going to replace them until I start running out of ink. So it's going to be a slow migration. And by then maybe I'll have a different plan for stacking the inks, but they're magnetic, so I don't need a case to stack them. That's the other side of it. So that's what these are. And that's what this is. I got 3 of those. And what is this one? I don't remember. Let's see. Huh, you want to take a look out my window? Oh yeah. And I got some more products to do DIY projects. Now I can use this as a clipboard. And there's a little hanger on the back right there, or I can use it as a frame. There's a frame stand on it. So I think it's a slick surface. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might decoupage on this. So I might end up painting this and then decoupaging. I've got quite a few papers that I've received recently. And when I ordered this, I thought, well, this stuff I ordered before, but it's one of the kits collection. So, but all it is the 3 boards. So we'll have to see. We'll have to see. And I'm going to post this on Facebook, and of course, I will then post it on YouTube. Facebook doesn't save the videos and YouTube does. So here's my cabinet down here. And I just put yesterday I put the wax over the top of the transfers that I did. And those transfers, if you're wondering, they're from Iron Orchid Design, and it's called by any other name. And it's all those roses plus butterflies and some birds, and I used almost all of them except for some butterflies and moths. But there's that. I'm still waiting for the pink paint. I ran out of that. Of course, my table's done. My table's right here. I've got fall and Christmas, and then that box is gonna be part of my giveaways that I'm gonna start doing. To get my craft room set up, I'm going to try to do a weekly video and offer one giveaway. And you'd have to go on and like my both my pages, Crafting with Tracy Hugs and Tracy Hughes Stampin' Up Demonstrator. It's going to be quite a bit that I'm going to ask you to do, but I'm trying to increase my number counts. So hopefully that will happen. My other cabinet came in. It's right over there. And all my cutting things. And embossing is right over there. Even my heat embossing is over there. That's where the plug-in is, and it's next to my desk. And so I think I'm gonna have to order, because I got a wider cabinet than I was anticipating. So I think I'm gonna have to go ahead and get a prefab wood countertop to make it all one unit. And it looks like, it doesn't look like they're the same height, does it? I thought they were, though. That's really weird. I thought when they were slid together, they were one height. Huh. I don't know. I'll have to check it out. when he put it together last night, there was a few things that were missing. But that's my, what is it called? The Empress. It's an electric die cutter. And there's my Spellbinders, what do they call this? The Spellbinders Glimmer. So you can do hot foiling. And I also have a letterpress right here. And you can do embossing with that also. So I have my extra embossing plates down here below my Stampin' Up die embossing. And here's the mini one. And what else? I've got a project I'm already working on, a little framed cottage theme. I'm just waiting for the final product to dry so I can sand it down and then put a top coat on it and then hang it. And there's some of my decoupaging and transfers that I'm gonna, oh, come on, there the focus. And in this cabinet, I am going to be putting, I'm not sure, stamps. The bottom of the cabinet has all my decoupaging and painting supplies, but I'm not quite sure what all I'm going to put in there. Probably decorative stuff that I make. I do have some decorative stuff on top of my big cabinets there, but yeah. But it's coming along. That right there just came in same time that my cabinet came in, so that's the blind that goes up over the window. It's a pull down, it's like a Roman blind. And that's it for now. It's everything I'm working on. Remember, I'm going to come to you with the rules and with the giveaways and a project that I'm working on. And all you guys have to do is like and share my pages. So hopefully people will be winning quite a bit of stuff. It'll be stuff related to stamping, and that's the most things I have. I might do some decoupage things that I do. I don't know. We'll see. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.